Alright everyone, welcome back. How's it going? I hope it's going good. It's going great. So in this video I'm going to be showing you about the flank overloading technique, how to set it up and how it works and how you can use it to your benefit. So first off, let's just go and set up the formation, and then afterwards I'll explain you the formation and how it works. So what the formation is that extensively overloading one of your flanks and making the other flank totally empty, whereas just having one player in that flank. So I'll explain to you guys further up in the video. As for now, just know that let's just set it up. Okay, so first off, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing this DR with the CMC, because we're not going to be using the DR since we're not going to be using. So what we are going to be doing is that we're going to be trying to keep all of our players behind this middle line within the field, on either side of the flank. For example, I'm choosing the left flank, and the way that you're going to be choosing one of the flanks to overload is by the way which side of your winger is stronger. For example, my AML is not that strong. He's 88%, whereas my AMR is 125%, so he's clearly the stronger side. So the flank that we're going to be overloading is going to be the one which is opposite to our superstar winger. For example, this is the superstar winger in my team, and what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be overloading the flank that is opposite to his side. So I'm going to be overloading the left flank. If an AML is your superstar player, then you're going to be overloading the right flank. I hope you get it. So now let's just set it up. Let's just move all of the players at least behind the middle line, and I'll explain the tactics to you and how it works just in a moment. Let's just set it up. Okay, and just like this, the DMC. Okay, so over here we're going to be probably needing an AML, which I do have. I'm gonna be using, but it's not. Okay, so here I have the AML that I'm gonna be switching for him, and we're gonna be setting him to normal as well, having the AML further up wide and the striker right over here, and the AMC right over here in the place of a playmaker. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be actually just using the formation that we usually use and just squeezing it upwards into a single flank, and then having just one player on the opposite flank over here. So now how this formation will work is that I'll just show you. So now what usually happens is when we play, our team gets the ball possession. It takes it through whatever flank that we decided, either it's the middle, either it's the left, or either it's the right, and then meanwhile they're in the attacking positions in these left or right flanks. What they do is they cross the ball into the penalty box area so that the striker or the other side winger can score. What this formation does is that it squeezes your opponent's players into one flank, leaving one of the players open to interceptions and tap-ins, just open to the tap-ins, so that as soon as these guys take the ball forward upwards from one flank and cross it in, this guy is going to be over there, and he is the star player. He is the strongest guy in the attack, and he's not going to be missing many chances to score. So he's just going to be tapping in. He's going to be having higher finishing stats, and hence he's going to be really good at finishing. So the team from over here will take the ball upwards and upwards all the way up to this flank or right over here in this attacking position, and then they're going to be crossing it upwards in the middle of the center of the penalty box area, where this guy is going to be lingering on, and he's going to be just waiting for the tap in. You're going to be getting so much more chances such that in this formation to tap in with this guy, and the main focus of this formation is to make this guy score, and in order to break some other formations. Now there are very specific tactics that you're going to be using for this formation. First off, you want to be using hard defending, because if you're going to be using normal, or if you're going to be using attacking or hard attacking, what's going to be happening is that your players are going to be scattering around and not going to perform as well. So hard defending is the team mentality that you're going to be using. Focus passing should be the flank that you overload. For example, I've overloaded the left flank in this formation. So I'm going to be focus passing through the left flank, and this will make my players take the ball upwards into the attacking area through the left flank, and then cross it into the right flank, or in the ST area, where my player is going to be waiting to make the tap in and score the goal. And as for the passing style, we're going to be using mixed. As for force counter attacks, it's on pressing style high. Tackling style depends. It's going to be tackling style is going to be normal, and pressing style depends upon if you're facing a stronger opponent or a lower opponent. If you're facing a normal opponent, you can go for low, and marking should be man to man, because this formation it's actually going to be man to man, because in this formation we want the players to come back to their positions while we're defending, and while we're defending, the man to man position will make your players come into defense with the opposition's players formation. So these are the tactics that you're going to be using with this formation, and this is how the formation works. I usually don't use it, but just in case you want to be using it, this is how it works, and this is the tactical breakdown for this formation. I hope it helped you guys. Until next time, peace out.